One mind map is used to explain this heat map analysis in this particular video. And if you want to get this mind map, you need to download our Shomu's Biology app from the Play Store. And inside the study material section, you can clearly see the mind map for all these videos that we're sharing. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. In today's video, we are going to analyze Unit 13. And now, as per new syllabus, it is Unit 14. Basically, the chapter name is Methods in Biology. There's no change in the chapter. Old syllabus, it has Unit 13. Now in this new syllabus of LSBT, it is Unit 14, but that is Methods in Biology. So we'll be talking about the heat map analysis for the methods in biology, the overall summary of methods in biology, and then we are going to talk about the high yield repeated topics from methods in biology. So starting with the summary snapshot of methods in biology. The importance level of this unit methods in biology is very high. Reliability is also very high. The scoring potential is also high. The scoring potential is easy if you can memorize. So I can say scoring potential is moderate. I will not say high because you need to have a memory as well as concepts to answer the question from methods in biology. The interlinks of this chapter is with all the other units, with cell biology, molecular biology, biochemistry, any other units you choose, and this unit is linked with. So it is very, very important that you study all the units. The techniques that are out there from all the different units are put together in unit 13 or Unit 14 as per LSBT syllabus, Unit 14 methods in biology. So what are the high yield and frequently asked topics from methods in biology? Let's look at that. The very first one is microscopy and imaging. The frequency of asking question is 5-star out of 5, and they focus question from TEM, transmission electron microscopy, SEM, scanning electron microscopy, fluorescence microscopy, confocal microscopy, and basics of light microscopy, including the concepts of the refractor index that is out there, use of oil, why do we use that, and also the importance of the understanding of magnification and resolution, right? The question related to that. Next is centrifugation and chromatography questions are out there. Frequency 5-star out of 5, and the focus here is the different types and principles of centrifugation, sedimentation coefficient related to centrifugation, and for chromatography they ask different types of chromatography, be it column. The mode is column, but they ask question related to the affinity chromatography, ion exchange chromatography, gel filtration chromatography. So they ask multiple varieties of chromatography questions. Electrophoresis and blotting question, frequency 4-star out of 5, and what they focus here, electrophoresis, basically it is DNA electrophoresis, that is gel electrophoresis, proteins electrophoresis, SDS page, sodium dodecyl sulfate, polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis are important. Western blotting, northern blotting, southern blotting are equally important out there for blotting. Spectroscopy, UV fluorescence spectroscopy, 4-star out of 5, that is the spectroscopy. The focus here for the spectroscopy is absorbance. Next is the Beer-Lambert law for the spectroscopy, emission spectra that is out there. We need to understand the mathematical question from Beer-Lambert law is important. Flow cytometry and facts. Flow cytometry and facts are another important topics here, and here the frequency is 4-star out of 5. The focus for flow cytometry questions are basically the cell sorting questions, cell shape, based on the cell shape and structure, how exactly the cell sorter can sort the cells. The fluorochromes are the topics of interest here, fluorescent activated cell sorting. Then we have PCR, RT-PCR and quantitative real-time PCR in there. Frequency 3-star out of 5, and they ask various kinds of PCR out there. The amplification methods, the primer designing is important topic of asking question, and quantification of DNA and RNA from that is important. The different cycles involved in the PCR and how exactly we can calculate the amount of DNA produced from the initial number, that calculation, mathematical calculation is important from the PCR, and different types of PCR like nested PCR, touchdown PCR, and also colony PCR, right? So all this different types of PCR important is there as a part of the syllabus. ELISA and RIA, immunological techniques, 3-star out of 5 in terms of frequency, and it focuses on techniques like ELISA for the diagnosis of different diseases by diagnosing the antibodies and antigens presence in the serum. So here we talk about the sandwich ELISA, direct indirect ELISA, and also radioimmunoassay or RIA. We do that, okay? So that part is done. Next is model organisms, and here the frequency is 3 star out of 5. The model organism, what we have Drosophila as a model organism, C. elegans as a model organism, zebrafish as a model organism, and the different context of these model organisms, utilization and different experimental techniques, and that's where they will ask questions from. Statistics and biostatistics, they can ask question, very few frequencies there, 2 star out of 5, very low frequency of asking question, but still they can ask question from chi-square test, asking for the p-values, and t-test, ANOVA. Okay, so chi-square test, p-value, t-test, and ANOVA are the topics. Mathematical questions are generally asked from these topics of statistics and biostatistics. So these are all high-yield topics from the methods in biology, and I believe you are now ready to understand what topics that you need to prepare from this huge syllabus of methods in biology, because I've analyzed the CSIR NET question paper for the last 10 years, and then I gathered this information to provide you this information. It is going to be much handy for you for the preparation. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and colleagues, subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. Thank you, bye. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. And if you wish to join our coaching, or if you want to buy our study material, or if you want to join our mock test series, then contact the given number here in this video, 9804654228, or visit our website www.shomusbiology.com, or download our app Shomu's Biology from the Play Store. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.